Here are 5 healthcare jobs you should be applying for today. These positions are fully remote. They are work from home opportunities. In addition to that, the pay of these opportunities are pretty decent. In addition to that, some of these will provide you with equipment to work from home and in some cases pay for your internet services. So let's dive right in. The first role we're going to be starting off with is this one with CVS. It's titled Care Management Associate Engagement Hub. This is a fully remote role, as you can see here. Remote, that's the location. And with this opportunity, you're working directly with Aetna Medicaid Care Management Outreach Team. This is an initiative that is focused on prioritizing Medicaid member interaction, helping them to meet any type of needs they may have, especially in regards of behavioral change. So behavioral healthcare, mental health is a big part of the healthcare industry right now. So if you are looking for a growth opportunity, growth career, like a career path, I encourage you to explore an opportunity like this because the mental health space, behavioral health space is growing. So this could avail you more opportunities in the future within the organization. With this particular role qualifications, they're asking for 2 years experience in healthcare. They are also asking for you to have the ability to navigate computers, some knowledge around Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook. So data entry really preferably because you're going to be doing a lot of documentation, taking of information directly from members or providers and entering them into different databases. So flexibility to work occasional nights and weekends outside of the standard schedule, which is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That is the standard schedule for that team. Doesn't mean you're going to be working 12-hour shifts. Education is high school diploma, and the pay range is between $18.50 and $31. So depending on the experience you're bringing to the table will determine where you fall in this bracket. So that's the first role. We're going to move on to the next role, which is with United Health Group. United Health Group is looking for a clinical administrative coordinator. This is a remote position specifically in Las Vegas. This position, again, it does require you to be located in Las Vegas, Nevada. However, you are going to be working from home. This position is a 40-hour week type of role with 3 to 4 holidays per year. You will get to work 8 or 10-hour shifts between 4 a.m. and 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. And they do open on weekends as well, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific. They also offer you the opportunity to work overtime should you need to, and so forth. They offer paid training, so 3 to 6 months of training, and this training is going to be conducted on site. So just keep that in mind. This training will be conducted on site, which is why they are insistent on the person being located in Las Vegas. So it is a paid training for 3 to 6 months. Qualifications, they want high school diploma or GED, 2+ years of experience in healthcare, whether in the capacity of healthcare facility, medical office, hospital, or managed care, which is health insurance. The salary for this role is between $16 and $31. Again, $16 and $31, that is the salary bracket for this particular opportunity. We're going to move on to the next one, which is with Molina. So Molina is looking for a care review processor. This is a remote opportunity. You are going to be working from home full time. It does require you to be on the phone. So this is a hybrid role between data entry and customer service. The education that is required is high school diploma. Experience is 1 to 3 years experience in administrative support role in healthcare. They do have other preferences here. However, the main areas to really concern yourself with is the required qualifications. So anything outside of that is just an additional bonus. But if you have it, I encourage you to include it in your resume. The salary range is between $12 and $26 per hour. So this one is slightly on the lower end. However, it's still pretty decent because you can end up either in the middle or more closer to the $26, depending on the experience you bring to the table. The next opportunity is with Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic is looking for data entry clerk level 2. Again, data entry clerk level 2 in finance department. This is a fully remote role, and with this opportunity you are going to be reviewing, you're going to be documenting, you're going to be updating information in different databases, especially in the area of billing, payment processing, as well as patient registry. So this particular role is really, it's a data entry role, just as the title implies. You're going to be working from home full time. What are they requiring for this particular role? They are needing whomever is applying for this role to have a high school diploma with 2 years of data entry experience. So in addition to having a high school diploma or GED, they do need you to have 2+ years of experience doing data entry, navigating different platforms, and so forth. Salary range for this role is $16 to $22 per hour. Again, $16 to $22 per hour. That is the salary range. So as you can see here, this position is 100% remote, can be seated at any site Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time Zone. That is the hours you're going to be working for this role. The last opportunity is with Navient. So Navient is looking for an insurance specialist level 2. This is a fully remote opportunity, and this individual is going to be sitting in the medical billing/coding department. So required, they're asking for high-speed internet. They are also asking for you to be able to use broadband with the ability to use a provided internet cord. So they want you to basically make sure that your computer is connected directly to the modem. Minimum qualifications for this role, they are asking for high school diploma. Additional equivalent education is required as well, and it could substitute for a level of education should you not have a high school diploma. 1 year of accounts receivable, hospitals experience. They're looking for someone who has excellent oral as well as written communication skills, basic computer skills, familiar with patient accounting type of service, and so forth. What are they requiring for this particular role? They are needing whomever is applying for this role to have a high school diploma with 2 years of data entry experience. So in addition to having a high school diploma or GED, they do need you to have 2+ years of experience doing data entry, navigating different platforms, and so forth. So they do have some preferred qualifications on here, but those are just preferences. But should you have any of these, again, as always, I encourage you to include them in your resume, because these can only increase your chances of potentially getting the job. So those are the opportunities, guys. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Till next time, wish you all the very best of luck, and I will talk to you later. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.